Got the temperature there. It's our last day, and yeah, we've got what's the time? It's about 8:45 in the morning, so she's nice and chilly. Be perfect though as the sun comes up and she warms it all up. We have the town of Coyhaique, which has got about 45,000–50,000 people in it, where we've been staying. Just in a lovely setting here, Chilean, Patagonia. The Simpson, which will raft down that you'll get to see. Flows all the way through. Well, we're just setting up for our last day of fishing in Chile, and it certainly is today. As we showed you on the way down from the lodge, it's -6. So on the water, she's pretty chilly, hence a little bit of headgear and that sort of stuff, and a nice warm jacket. Alex is just setting up. This is the Simpson, which is the major river that flows through the region. We're going to float this down and use some woolly buggers again, which we tend to use a lot here, and also stop for some dry fly feeding fish and things like that. But it's going to be a great day once that sun really heats up a little bit, and hopefully it brings the fish up with it. But looking forward to the float trip down. Alex assures me I'll stay in the raft, which is always a good thing. So looking forward to a really great day. And we have essentially 3 setups. We've got one with a dry fly, one set up for nymphing, and another set up with some streamer, so we don't have to change flies all the time. Now, do I lean forward or back, or just hold on? That'll be all right. Okay. So that's it, mate. That's the main, one of the bigger rapids.
There's other fast waters, but we will go through it very easy. That's more technical. Got more rocks in it, but if the water level is high, it was easier today.
Just to show you how cold it is, so when we've come down that rapid, it splashed a bit of water. I don't know if you can see that, and it instantly has turned it to ice on the handle. Any bits of water there, it's freezing, and there's sun there, so we're just going to hang around there for a little bit, I think. Just on a quieter section of the river. Yeah, Alex just throwing the big wet down some of these small little runs. I think the beauty of floating like down rivers like this is you get to see so much of the country that you normally wouldn't see if you're I mean, you get to see the whole lot, don't you?
Absolutely. But these waters we are fishing here, the only way to do it is from the boat. There's
We've just drifted down the Simpson a bit and found a nice little back eddy on the other side there. But it's still very cold, so there's no real surface activity. So we're sticking to like a woolly bugger type thing, and Alex now is just running down a couple of nymphs, down some little water here which will hold some fish. So with an indicator and 2 nymphs, and hopefully we'll pick some up. We're just drifting down a couple of nymphs down to a little run there, and just fishing with an indicator, and obviously dip down and away we went.
Maybe he's slightly bigger than
what we're thinking.
Look, he's running now.
Yeah.
Look.
Yep.
Forgot to tell you this. The trout here on the Simpson Canyon are extremely strong. It's
just a good fit fish, isn't it? So it's a good nick.
Yeah, he took the heavy net. That was a reason. We need a picture. Look at that. It's a beauty. Good.
A lovely lunch awaiting us. That's normally what you do on your raft trips?
Our traditional barbecue lunches that we do for our trips.
That's the way we always should eat on the river, isn't it? Just after a day, you know, half a day's fishing, a lovely meal like that.
It's the most important part of the day, and it's the only thing I can guarantee that you're going to enjoy.
Well, we've just finished an amazing drift down the Simpson River. Some amazing gorge country. Unfortunately, it was a little bit hard because it's pretty boisterous to row and film or fish and film at the same time, but it's just an amazing place, and you get to see so many different like areas that you wouldn't normally see. So it's something, when you do come to Chile, it's something well worth doing, because it just really opens up a few, you know, some different experiences, which is what you come to a place like Chile for. And we're at the where we pack up, a couple of fish rises, so we thought we might just have a couple of casts and just, it's always good to get another fish. Actually only a little one. Let's get his bigger brother out here. Bring him over just to give you a bit better look. About what, £1.5 £2, but a great fish, you know, in great condition and on a dry fly at the end of a long day is just fantastic. So we'll put him back in, see if we can't find another one. Perfect. I'm sure his brother's out there. Just beautiful. I'm just changing to something I can probably see a little bit better too. It's a little bit hard in the glare there. To a Highland dun. Should sit up nice and proud, and it's probably a little bit bigger than the naturals that are floating down at the moment too, so may make it stand out a little better. and make them simply come out and take it. Well, he did that second cast. He came up and took it. There's only a little one. Again, they're all about 1 to 2 pound. This one's probably even the smallest one. But it doesn't matter where in the world you are. If you can start catching on dry flies these lovely trout in surroundings like this, it doesn't matter about the size at all. So this is just fantastic. On a dry fly, just absolutely amazing fun to catch. So yeah, Chile, certainly the place to go to come and experience everything it's got to offer. Okay, we'll just pop in back and away you go. And I think unfortunately with that sun going down, she's starting to chill up a little bit, and I reckon it's time to pull the pin and just go and think about everything that's happened. Chile's an amazing place. Come across here and experience it. I'm sure you'll love it. There's a lot bigger fish here, but you've got to come across and catch them yourself. So.